Hello guys, today we will talk, let me introduce something about our this ATAF USB-C PoE to USB-C adapter and how to use it in those two type of gun box here. And this is our the USB-C cable wire that we provided. And those two is our mounting brackets. So yes, you can use our mounting brackets, and you can. This is not optical. This is optional. Sorry. So let me introduce how to use it without mounting brackets. First, we connect this here. This. To see if the lights lighting on shows this can work powered normally. Yes. So with this one, and we can put these directions, and let me show you. Pass through here from this and connect, and suggest to connect the USB-C cable wire like this. And usually put this way. Sorry. See? So let's show how to use our mounting brackets this time. With our mounting brackets, we first connect here. In here, and connect the network cable. Connect to the USB-C cable and push this way. See, it's matched completely. This cable wire connect to your devices. And how to mount this bracket to the walls, and we can use this for outside 4 holes to fix it on the wall. This one just connect here, connect with your tablet. Show you type of gun box we can use our mounting bracket as well, and show you right here. And we can put our products into this type of gun box without mounting bracket. Let me show you. First, pass through this network cable and connect. And connect the USB-C cable wire. And put this way.